Alright, so there's the rear wheel off my four-stroke with the flat. I'm surprised nobody went, oh my god, you had the slime tube in it and it got a flat. You said they were so great. Well, it's actually that wheel and the slime tube's still in it and it's perfect. That was the tube that was in this. So, with that said, if anybody has noticed the shininess of it, this is a legit Worksman rear wheel with a freewheel hub. It's a threaded type and sealed ball bearings in it. Not only is there sealed ball bearings, there's two stacked on each freaking side pressed in. Freaking amazing. Well built, hardened shaft. It's actually got numbers printed on it someplace. Forget where it was. It was on the end of it. And the rim, this thing is heavy, by the way. It is definitely not a pedal bike happy rim. Like, so this rim actually is a steel rim, and then they fold another piece of steel over to match this. It's welded at one point, and then they fold these over and actually double wall the entire rim. So this thing is brutally heavy. And I don't think I've ever seen a bicycle rim like that. And as far as the spokes go, I believe, where are we? Yeah, we are rocking 11 gauge spokes here. So these are thick mofos right here. But anyways, yeah, it's got a hardened shaft, all that good stuff in it. So I'm going to be doing a trial on this. I run a lot of miles on that four-stroke all the time. So I really want to see how well these hold up and stuff. So many people give good reviews. They're usually ridiculously expensive. And I know you're going to get 20 people that go, it's a clone. It's something that you can buy on eBay, blah, blah, blah. No, it is not a clone. This is a legit Worksman wheel. And I'll tell you exactly why. Because I bought it directly from a Worksman dealer that now is 5 miles from my house, right over the border in North Carolina. They sell all kinds of cool stuff that I've actually never seen for bicycles. So anyways, this is a cargo bike wheel, I guess is what they call them. So, but anyways, yeah, it has a screw-on freewheel type. I used my own freewheel because they don't come with anything. And it is a disc brake one. So all the Worksman wheels either have rim brake or like a really funky disc brake on them. But anyways, yeah, they got a really funky disc brake on them. It's like a thicker disc brake. I believe it's like 4 millimeter. They got a weird mechanical caliper on them. So at some point, I'm going to check those out. And they're not standard sizes either. Like, you know, you got like your 180, 160, 203. They're not even close. It's like a 150 millimeter or something. It's weird. And they're a solid disc with holes. So at some point we're gonna play with all that stuff because I think that would be really cool on a motorized bicycle. And it's really hard to get parts and stuff for these, or even get them, or get legit ones, like, online. But I actually got a dealer now that's like a couple minutes from the house, so yeah. But anyways, we're going to be trying a legit one. We're going to see how well this sucker holds up. And you got to remember, I got a belt drive, so there's forces pulling on it, like that way. Well, as well from the belt. So That's a lot of extra stress, and I've been using sealed ball bearings, and great, but this is double sealed ball bearing set, so pretty freaking cool. All right. And anyways, down the road, we're going to be doing a lot of reviews on this and seeing how well it really holds up. Um, I'm using the disc brake for my pulley because this is a belt drive. And I use rim brakes too, so we're going to see how well all this works, how well it's, if it squeaks, all that good stuff. All right,